Hello students, today I am explaining you KB Hyderabad region pre-public examination 1 2024 and 25. Section A, it is the sixth question. The distance of the point P, A cos theta, comma A sin theta from origin is the distance of the point. The distance of a point from origin is option A cos theta, option B is 1, option C is 2, option D is 8. So let us solve this problem. The point given P is A cos theta, A sin theta. This we have to find the distance from origin to P. Then let this is x comma y. And we find the distance from OP. Origin is what? O. The origin is always 0 comma 0. Origin is always 0 comma 0, which is denoted by O. O is equal to 0 comma 0. Now the distance from OP is equals to under root of x square plus y square is the formula. OP is equals to under root of x square plus y square is the formula. Now OP is equals to under root of x square. What is x is here? A cos theta. A cos theta whole square plus y square. What is y? A sin theta. A sin theta whole square is equals to under root of, now this square is separated to A and cos theta. Then it is a square cos square theta plus, and this square is also separated to A and sin theta. It is a square sin square theta is equals to under root of, we can take A square is common. A square is a common. Then what is remains? Cos square theta plus A square we have taken as a common. The remaining is what? Sin square theta. Under root of, write A square as it is. This cos square theta plus sin square theta value is what? 1. That is the first identity formula. Is equals to under root of A square was the A square. Now this square and root get cancelled. A is the answer. The distance between OP is A. Then option B is the correct answer. Option B is correct answer for sixth question. Now, seventh question. If the first three terms of an AP are 3p minus 1, 3p plus 5 and 5p plus 1 respectively, then the value of P. So we find the value of P. So solution is, so what they given the first three terms. What they given the first three terms that are 3p minus 1 comma 3p plus 5 and 5p plus 1. Okay, this is a first term. So we can write it as a first term. T1 is equals to 3p minus 1. T2 is equal to, it is a second term, 3p plus 5. And this is what? Third term. T3 is equals to 5p plus 1. So already these three terms are the AP terms. So we can write D is equals to T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2. What is a common difference formula? It is a T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2. Here they are asking to find some variable problem. Some variable we have to find out. So in this case, we take it is as a T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Till how many terms they given? So till that we have to write it in this form. So I am going to substitute now. What is the T2? T2 is 3p plus 5 minus T1. T1 is a 3p minus 1. So we put the bracket because in front of this is minus is there. Right, is equals to T3 is 5p plus 1 minus and T2 is 3p plus 5. It is also going to drop. Now write it 3p plus 5 is as it is. Now bracket open. Minus into plus minus 3p. This minus into minus is a plus 1. This is equals to 5p plus 1. Here also bracket open. Minus into plus minus 3p. Minus into plus minus 5. This is a 3p and it is minus 3p. Plus 3p minus 3p get cancelled. So 5 plus 1 is a 6. This is equals to 5p minus 3p is 2p plus 1 minus 5 is a minus 4. So now transfer this minus 4 to left side. So that becomes plus 4. Write the 6 as it is. This minus 4 becomes plus 4 is equals to 2p. 6 plus 4 is a 10 is equals to 2p. Now write it is in order. 2p is equals to 10. Then p is equals to 10 by 2. So 2 5 is a 10. What is p value? P value is 5. So B option is correct. Option B is correct answer. B is correct answer for 7th question. Now we do 8th question. ABCD is a rectangle whose three vertices are ABCD is a rectangle whose three vertices are P 4, 0, C 4, 3 and D 0, 3. The length of one of its diagonal is, we find length of one diagonal. Length of one of its diagonal is we have to find out. So solution. What they given? They given a rectangle vertices. So this is the diagram of the rectangle. That it is a and it is B, C, D. A, B, C, D. What they given? Given B value as a 4, 0 and C value is given 4, 3 and D is given 0, 3. A is not given. So what we want to find? Find the length of one of its diagonals. So if you find the AC diagonal length, we know C, but we don't know A. A is not given. So we can't find out AC length. So we can find out PD length. It is a diagonal and AC is also diagonal. Now what is a diagonal? PD is a diagonal. Now we want to find the length. It means what? Distance. Let the P is a x1, y1 and D is what? x2, y2. So distance between BD is equals to, we find distance. We find the distance between B and D. Right. BD is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is what distance formula. Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we substitute these values in this formula. Right, BD is equals to under root of, what is x2? x2 is 0 minus, this is a formula minus, and x1 is a 4 whole square plus y2 value. What is y2? Is a 3 is y2 minus and y1 is a 0. Whole square is equals to under root of 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 is minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 0 is a 3 square is equals to under root of this minus square is a plus and 4 square is a 16 plus 3 square is a 9 is equals to root 16 plus 9 is 25 and it is what 5. So BD is equals to 5. Therefore, the distance between BD, or we can say it is a length of BD. The length of the diagonal BD is a 5. So answer is option A is the correct answer. Option A is correct answer for 8th question.